how to find best Turo promo code. Now, before you go ahead and pay for any rental car from Turo.com's official site, you can go ahead and open up any preferred web browser on your end. Just simply type in coupons.com. This is where you'll be getting any kinds of discounts or promotions that you can still use as of 2025. In here, for us to search for Turo, just simply click this magnifying glass and then type in Turo. Now choose on the very first result right here, and you can also see on how many available offers are there for Turo. So we have 25 offers available, and you will now then be redirected to the options that you can use. So say for example, you'd like to get the 100% off or maybe 15% off. Simply click this option here to say see coupon so that you can copy the unique code that you can paste from Turo's official website. So that is how you find the best Turo promo codes.